Start. It has been held that since the Punjab Village Common Lands Regulation Act 1953 extinguishes in the Shamlat Day the interest of all persons, whether Hindu, Sikh, or Muslim, especially when prior thereto the custodian concerned, rather not conspicuously allotting the Shamlat lands to the migrants from Pakistan to India. Stop. Therefore, they make a consequent argument that the collector concerned alone that held the empowered jurisdiction to make a decision in respect of the list at hand, and that the exercise of jurisdiction by the Waqf tribunal concerned rather being untenable. Stop. Consequently, they had argued before this court that the civil writ petitions supra be dismissed on the above score. Besides, also the civil revision petitions supra be dismissed, given theirs being completely time barred. Stop. They further submit that irrespective of an entry in the classification column of the relevant revenue records, rather unfolding qua the lands becoming described therein as Gair Mumkin Kabristan, but yet when in the relevant column of ownership the land has been described as Shamilat, they stop. Therefore, they submit that the assigning of concurrent reasons by both the authorities below for disregarding the above entry in the column of classification on the ground of opposite prolonged non-user for the relevant purpose by the Muslim community, rather is a validly recorded reason. Stop. Thus, on account of its prolonged non-user, not only the legal effect, if any of the above entry becomes rendered inconsequential, but also the panchayat concerned held the empowerment to allot it on lease to the respondents concerned. Stop. In this connection, we may refer to the findings recorded by the assistant collector that the revenue records show that the Gram Panchayat is the owner, and also that the property in question is being used for common purposes of the Gram Panchayat. Stop. We have already extracted its above findings recorded by the assistant collector. Stop. The revenue records thus showed the land was being used by village community. Stop. It is obvious from the definition of Shamlat Day in section 2 subclause G of the Punjab Village Common Land Regulations Act 1961 that the land in question did not fall within the exclusionary part of the definition. Stop. Therefore, the land was Shamlat Day and was being used as such as per the revenue records. Stop. Thus, section 12 of the Act would apply and preclude a suit by the Waqf board. Stop.